जिससे हम बने हैं, हम उन्हें ही घर से दखल कर रहे हैं। हमारी ज़रूरतों के लिए हम उनके घरों को उजाड़ रहे हैं। यस फ्रेंड्स, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वाइल्ड लाइफ. So good morning respected GTO sir and my dear friends. My name is Sanjay Bhakar and today's my lecture topic is wildlife protection. Friends, we know that today is the extinction of the wildlife on the earth is a completely a biggest enemy for the developed or the undeveloped nation in this world. Friends, we know that the animals or the wildlife where the ancestors used to see, we are not able to see. And although the number of cheetahs, tigers, and also many of the elephants have been decreased, the species have been extincted. Friends, there are many reasons behind the implementation of the wildlife protection and also what are the needs for it. Firstly, because of deforestation and industrialization. Friends, we know that because of increasing the industries, also increasing the residential areas, we are cutting down the trees, and also we are using the forest areas for our main greed. And friends, we know that we are setting up the various industries because of it the climate change mainly occurs. Friends, we know that there are many species those who are not able to live under some temperature, and because of the climate change issues, because of the CO2 released, and because of the global warming that is increasing and touching the sky, because of that there is the many of the species have been endangered and also they have been extincted. The third reason is that because of the poaching and hunting. Friends, we know that because of having the grid for the selling the belts we are using, the boots we are using of leather that are being mainly made up of the skin which is being carried out from the skin of animal. So these are the mainly reasons why the wildlife are being under the extinction and are being endangered. Friends, as if we are able to if we are able to implement the wildlife protection, there will be many of the benefits. Firstly, the tourism sector. Friends, we know recently we have imported the many of the cheetahs under the tiger under the project cheetah from the Namibia to the Kuno National Park in the Madhya Pradesh. So therefore it attracts the tourism and also improves the tourism sector, which again contributes to the GDP of our country, also improves the standard of living of the nearby people who are living nearby. Firstly, secondly, ecological balance. Friends, we know that whenever we are saving the life of our wildlife on earth, we are also improving our food chain and thereby we are also balancing our ecological balances. Thirdly, biodiversity conservation, and fourth is scientific research. Friends, we know that we need the many of the scientific research for the on the wildlife to study their structure. So therefore, they also become necessary for the development of science, especially biology. So friends, as talking about the India's that initiatives to in order to save the wildlife are such as Project Cheetah, Project Tiger, and also Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So these are the initiatives in order to basically implement the Wildlife Protection Act. So friends, according to me, I would be concluding my topic by saying that we know that we are the species of earth, we have evolved from the wildlife. So therefore it is our own responsibility to save this nature on the earth and also to save the wildlife that are mainly glories to us, and also to show that which are the species for our own for our further generation. Thank you.